Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One cold morning, Rat in a Hat was working outside the shop.
Whiskers! Oh dear, oh, such a lot of work to do and such a cold morning.
Oh dear! What's the matter, Rat?
Oh, Lulu, I seem to have caught a touch of the sniffles.
Oh, poor Rat! You should be in bed.
Oh, but my shop is in a mess. I'm supposed to go on a fishing holiday tomorrow.
Never mind about that, Rat. To bed.
Oh.
Come on now.
Oh,
Off you
right.
go. In you go now. Nice and cool.
So Lulu tucked poor Sniffly Rat into his bed.
There. That's much more warm and comfy. Isn't it, Rat?
Oh, thank you, Lulu.
Beaver, beaver, beaver. Hello, Rat. That's a serious sniffle, Dr. B1. A very, very serious sniffle, Dr. B2. Say Rat. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Dr. B1? I think I am, Dr. B2. It's staying in bedtime, Rat.
Oh, staying in bed, Dr. Bananas. But what about my shop? What about my fishing holiday?
Don't you worry about a thing, Rat. Everything will be just fine.
But Rat couldn't stop himself worrying.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. I'd better go and hang up the shop. Closed! Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, Amy, but the shop's closed.
Oh, Rat, what are you doing out of bed?
Morgan, I forgot to hang up the shop closed sign.
But Rat, the shop's open.
And I'm the shopkeeper.
You're the shopkeeper, but
There you go, Amy.
Thank you, Morgan.
oh, are you sure?
Oh!
Rat!
I'm sorry, Amy.
Back to bed, Rat.
Everything's under control.
Oh, yes, I suppose I...
Rat was about to get back into bed when it started to rain.
Oh, rain! Oh, no! All those boxes will get wet. Oh...
Oh, Rat, what are you doing out of bed?
Oh, my boxers.
It's all right, Rat. We've brought all your boxes in out of the rain.
Oh, so you have, Bananas. You've done a great job. Cheese and whiskers.
Back to bed.
Oh, all right. Oh, back to bed again.
Next morning when Rat woke up,
Oh, no more snuffly sniffles. Oh, but so much work to do. I'll never get to go on a fishing holiday. Oh, I don't understand. Shop all tidy, boxes all stacked so neatly. Oh,
Morning, Rat. Feeling better?
oh, much better, thank you, Bananas. No sniffles at all, and no work to do either.
Exactly, Rat. And now it's holiday time. Walk this way, Rat. Come along, Rat. All ready.
and I think going on a holiday is a good way to get over the sniffles. Don't you?
Hot, Rat.
Oh, thank you,
There's petrol in the
Bananas.
meal. It's all juiced up, Rat.
Oh, thank you very much,
We've got some
Meanwhile.
fishing rods and some bait.
Oh, I never thought I'd get to go on my holiday. Oh, there's my favourite
Do have a good time, Rat.
Away we go!
Bye.
Bye-bye,
We'll be thinking
Bananas!
of you, Rat. All right. Bye-bye, Rat.